Alright. Got it back in here. The light bulb I did have in there. Back in it, the one that doesn't work. Because I couldn't find a match. And got two 3-inch reels on it. That was recorded on the Sony TC211. And everything seems to work. I haven't tried it out yet, so you'll be seeing it for the first time that I've tried it. I'm going to actually thread it to it. It's supposed to thread around this thing, but I got it threading around that way behind it because it works better with the case off like that. That's a tape threaded. Got hooked up to an external speaker. Motor still might need a little bit of lubrication. Okay, we have a little difficulty with the speed control. That can be adjusted out. Alright. Flywheel has good torque. It's actually making my finger slide all over it. I might have to choose a different speaker. Okay, it runs a little slow. Good torque there. I might be the problem is too much torque. Speaker's playing out of. Actually kind of like that sound this way. I might leave it this way. But if it's too much stress on the motor, I might try something different. It's a lot of extra work to try and replace that belt, so I'm not even going to bother with it. Huh? Yeah, it's running a little slow, but that's all.
Maybe your belt's a little too loose or something.
Nah. Yeah, fast forward. Looks like it's making it a key lower than what it should be, which is strange. That's all for this Roadmaster video. Next time we see it, it'll be a little bit further together, and maybe running.